What's up, everyone? It's me, Knockclaw. Okay, so today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to get Tekkit Classic to work with sound. Because if you do download it the normal way, it's not gonna work. You won't have sound. So I'm gonna start from the very beginning. First thing you want to do is download the Tekkit launcher, found here. There's a link in the description for this. So you download this for Windows, Mac, whatever you're using. I don't know if this works on Mac. So once you have that download, you have your Tekkit pull up, log in with your normal Minecraft username. Let me delete this real quick. Log in with your normal Minecraft username and then search for Tekkit Classic in the mods packs. Tekkit Classic, install it. It should take like no time at all. Dude. Literally take like no time. Or it takes some time. Quite some time. In the meantime, it's done. Okay, cool. So once you get it installed, let me just open it up real quick. You don't have to do this part, but it'll open up real quick, and the problem people have is there's no sound. So to fix this problem, now close out everything, close out all your Tekkit things that you just downloaded. Go to the description. Holy shit, that is bright. Go to the description and download this Tekkit Dropbox. Download top right corner, direct download. And it's going to download down here. I've already done this a couple times to make sure it works fully. So you're going to download it down here. Just wait. It'll open. This I use WinRAR to extract my files. Also, you could probably use just zip, but if you don't have WinRAR, I don't know what you're doing. It's lit. I use it for like so much of my shit. Okay. Is it going to open? Just going to wait. Alexa, play Despacito.
Despacito, remixed by Luis Fonsi from Spotify.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. That's copyright. I forgot. Okay, this shit should open now. So to extract it with WinRAR, just take your Tekkit folder. You're going to drag it to your desktop and it's going to extract your file. Come on. Extracting. Come on. You're doing it. Microsoft OneDrive. Why you... No.
That depends on what it
Alexa, shut the fuck up. Alright, now let's bring it over to my desktop. OneDrive. Not needed, obviously. Okay, the next step is very important, though. So now you have the folder on your desktop right here. So now you want to open up your folders. Type in percentage app data percentage. So percentage app data percentage. Hit enter. Go to the Tekkit folder. Go to mod packs, and since you already downloaded the classic Tekkit earlier, there will be a Tekkit folder in here. Drag the folder from your desktop into this, and it's going to get moved on over. And replace this file. Say yes. So it's going to replace the file. Now open up your Tekkit launcher again. Let me just move this over here so I can sign in. Okay, and now the Tekkit Classic should still be here. You don't really have to touch anything else. If you have crashing issues, like not enough data when you open the game, that's you're gonna have to update your Java version. And now there is sound. And now you can do whatever you want. Small disclaimer: skins are broken, so you won't be able to use your normal skin. But at least this way you'll have sound. Y'all, appreciate you guys watching. Hope I helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me on my Discord. Also, why not look up Twitch Narclaw, where I run my own classic Tekkit server. and y'all can participate in that. It's like one of the only servers still existing today. So, y'all. I don't have an outro.